Welcome to the ETX Capital TraderPro tutorial series, and in this short video we will look at some of the main technical indicators and how to apply them to your charts on TraderPro. You can find all of the indicators on your charts under the function button on the top left of your charts. You can search for them using the search function here, or you can simply scroll down through the entire list of technical indicators that are available. Alternatively, you can right-click on the chart and select indicators, and you can find the same list available here. Simply click on the indicator you want to use, for example MACD, one of the most popular indicators, and this will open up the indicators side panel over on the right hand side of your chart. Here you can apply the parameters you would like to set, such as the time frames and the colors. In the case of MACD, we will leave the time frames on the default setting, which is the standard 12-day and 26-day moving averages for the main MACD line and the 9-day moving average of that MACD line. The MACD line will be colored grey, but you can change that to another color, for example pink. The signal line colored red, but we can change that to yellow, for example. We can also change the colors if we wish of the histogram, but for now we will leave those as green for uptrend and red for downtrend. If we click Save, the side panel closes and your indicator is added to the bottom of your chart. You can now view this in relation to the price action and make any adjustments using the studies legend here. By clicking on this, it reopens the side panel. Again, click Save to close. If I want to also add a momentum indicator, for example the relative strength index, I can do that too. Again, I'll go into the chart, scroll down, and we can find relative strength index. Click on it. The indicator appears at the bottom of the chart and our side panel opens up. Notice that the MACD parameters can be reopened should you wish to change those as well. I can adjust the time frame. Here I will change it to the more commonly used 14-day RSI, and we can apply this to different prices that open, the high, the low, or the close. We'll stick with the close, and we can adjust our tram lines which indicate overbought and oversold conditions. Again, we will stick with 70 signaling overbought and 30 for oversold. Now we click Save, and the two indicators are displayed below the price action on the chart. Some indicators, however, are overlaid on the chart itself, for example moving averages. If we go and select moving averages, a simple moving average, again our side panel opens up. We can make the necessary adjustments to the moving average, for example the period. We can change that to a 50-day moving average, and we can decide whether or not we wish to shift or advance that average by a certain number of periods. 3 is a common value used. Again, we can also amend our color, and we can change the width of the line should we wish. We click Save, and now that indicator has been overlaid on the chart itself. These are just a few of the more than 60 different indicators that are available on the platform, and that completes our look at adding indicators on the TraderPro platform.